again, eh?
Oh yeah. It's like an Instagram pic.
Cool, man.
Hey, welcome back to another episode. So today we didn't feel like doing a whole lot, so
We did a lot of driving.
and also a lot of droning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you another highly anticipated and well-reviewed episode of Lava, along with our drone footage we captured today. So we're gonna keep it nice, short, and sweet, and simple, just like this espresso I'm drinking. What?
Nothing.
And yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be it.
Who farted? Let's get right into it.
Hello, and welcome to my crib. Please come in. Make sure you take your shoes off, please.
Okay, thank you.
So that's not my house. This is. Come on, follow me. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. Watch your step on these stairs. They're a little steep. Oh, it's open. Please come on.
Thank you.
Come on. So on our left here, we have the master bedroom. One bed, one bureau, and a huge dining space. If you're ever really sad and you eat a lot of chocolate, that's where you should go. My God, the room in there, you could store almost 16 baby elephants in here if you really had to. Okay? Now, come across home. So in here, it's gonna be a little noisy. In here we have our laundry, wash and dryer. I don't know how to work the dryer, but like the washer works. Toilet, state of the art. Low flow toilets, a little humid in here, but that's okay. Little laundry happening in the back. Shower, let's struggle a little bit for shower space in here. You know, it's about 6'4" inches tall. So, a little mop, just a mop up after. Really good open concept, as you can clearly see by space here. Come on, keep traveling. As you make your way down your hall, if you're really vain, we got a mirror for you here. If you just need to check yourself out, see if you have anything in your teeth, oh, I do. Get that out. Then you just keep walking. So in here we have our kitchen. It's a little small, but like, cozy is key. That's what I always say. So we have our mini fridge over here. No Appleton stored here, unfortunately, yet. A variety of beverages to make. I have a microwave, coffee pot, other thing, frying pan, sink, really important. Water has water too, also important. Overhead fan thingy. Turn that bad boy on. She's a noisy boy. Then we have our pan and our stove. You know, and it's a little warm in here right now, but if it gets cold, I got you covered. We got a heater too. And a fire blanket just in case you have those oopsie moments where you light yourself on fire. I mean, how many times have I cooked before and accidentally lit myself on fire? Always good to have a solution. All right. Then finally, our living room. All right. So this is really the highlight of my pad. Come on in. So I have a great L-shaped section. I think that's a sectional couch. A sectional couch. A little coffee table, complete with ornamental lava rock candle. Mmm, yum. Peach citrus fragrance. Fragrance. And over here we have my console setup. So I have a 42-inch Samsung TV, along with a PS3, along with, wait, this is the kicker. PlayStation Move. How many of you guys still use PlayStation Move? PlayStation solution of the week. Very fun. Let me plug the. Oh, okay. I don't know how to plug this back in. Okay, and then finally the pièce de résistance. I think really ties the whole ensemble together. If you come with me, is this beautiful mountain range, specially designed just for this house. As you can see, we got some crests, some snow caps at the top. Maybe even get to see some sheathing, but that's pretty much it, you know. So, thank you for coming. I really hope you enjoyed my crib. Lava!
Lava.
Lava!
Lava?
Lava!
anywhere.
How you doing? Hope you're
Welcome to
doing
Lava. Yeah, you've seen the place.
Yeah.
It's
It's nice.
quaint.
It's nice. It's a little tiny, but hey, we're gonna get into the review right meow. So first up is our L. This is the right way. L for location.
No, it's not.
That's the right way.
No, it's the right way for us. This is the right way.
L.
L.
Location.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. We're in downtown Rio Fiordar. Might be close.
That was-
It's a pretty small town, so it's within walking distance of everything.
1,100 people live here.
1,100 people, and it's a hop, skip, and a jump away from our destination tomorrow. So for location, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5. It's not perfect, but it's not bad.
I'll give it a 4 out of 5 as well. 4 lavas out of 5.
Next up, we have amenities. So this place is going to score pretty high in amenities. We have access to toasters, hot chocolates, fridges,
Multiple toasters.
multiple toasters, washing or dryer. So that's a nice touch. So yeah, for me,
Did
it's
you
going
say
to be...
hot chocolate?
I said hot chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's hot chocolate.
There's hot chocolate,
Ketchup?
yeah.
Ketchup's a
Ketchup.
big
The
one.
ketchup was key for those burgers we ate tonight. That was really first time we've had meat in about 4 days.
Mhm.
So, but for my amenities score, I'm going to give it 5 lavas out of 5.
Wow, perfect score.
Perfect score.
I'm gonna give it also 5, I think.
I think it
I
deserves
I can't think of anything it's missing.
Yeah, a hot tub, but I mean, happens.
Beggars can't be
It
choosers.
happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 out of 5 lavas.
Moving on for value. So we paid a total of $220 Canadian for this flat, and for everything it comes with. I mean, we even have a PS4. We forgot to mention that.
PS3, actually.
Oh yeah, PS3 with the Move, PlayStation Move though.
Mm.
We're gonna be playing some
Brings it up a couple
sports
notches.
tomorrow. For value, 220. I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars out of 5. It's
I
not
like it as well.
It's not a complete
Stars?
5.
Oh, lavas.
Oh, that's a good catch. Thanks.
I'm gonna give it a 4.5 lavas out of 5.
Finally, appearance.
Appearance.
Wow. As you'll see earlier, what the place actually looks like. You know what? I'm just gonna cut right to the chase, and I'm gonna say 4.937 lavas out of a possible 5.
I'm gonna give it 4.5 because I'm not ridiculous. Lavas out of 5.
I take that as a compliment.
Okay, cool. Good for you. So does appearance take into account the scenery?
No, it's the appearance of the place. I mean, I guess if you look at from the streets.
So what about the scenery though? We never include
Lavas.
What?
New this week, scenery also included. Lavas. This week's bonus content, scenery.
Scenery.
So for this Airbnb, we have a beautiful, majestic mountain range out of our window. So
Very nice.
if we consider scenery along with the small town-esque scape of this environment, I'm gonna have to rate this 4.213 lavas out of 5 on scenery.
I don't know why 213, but also I don't know why it didn't get 5 out of 5 on scenery. I feel like this is the best scenery I've seen or
For it to get 5 for me, it has to have a waterfall through the property. I'm gonna set that
There's
barrier. That's the ultimate.
through
That's
the property. There's a waterfall
That is
over
the
there.
championship of. It's a pinnacle. The pinnacle
Pinnacle.
of our scenery ratings.
Pinnacle. There's no U in pinnacle.
Pinnacle. Thanks for joining us on this week's bonus content edition of Lava.
How's that espresso?
Very hot, nice on a cold day like today.
Is it?
Oh hey, didn't see you there. So
Me
yeah,
neither.
so that's it for today.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow we're on to Grenoble, which is on the western coast of Iceland. We have a cute little Airbnb there.
This is.
And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys
but yeah.
tomorrow. That's pretty much it.
Ooh, it's windy out
Hey,
here.
tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you then. Ding!
Bye bye.